Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can manage the Memo function in Dishwasher Candy Brava. So, if you want to manage the Memo function, this feature allows you to... This feature just saving your last used functions, and if you're turning on your device, the last used functions are visible here and it's ready to start. So if you want to manage this function, you have to hold the power button and P button together for 5 seconds. Okay, my bad. Once again. Now we're in the settings mode. Then click on the P until you see the Memo function. Now to manage this function, just click on the door opening button or just tab button. Then click on the P and that's it. Restart your device and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.